get is people think I'm very organized. Like if you come to my house,
I can see that though.
If you come to my house is much like my brain, which is it's filled with shit. Like, and I mean, like I love art, and I like if there's an empty wall,
Yeah.
I'm filling it. Like there's no empty walls. Like there's color, there's stuff, there's piles. I'm not organized. A friend of mine used to call me a surface abuser. If there was a horizontal surface anywhere near me, I would fill it. And it, not necessarily in an organized way, like papers, piles of papers, you know, bowls of things. So like my dining room table, I go through these phases where it gets to the point where you can't see that I have a dining room table, and I'm like, I hate this, and I like clean everything.
Yeah. I mean, that's common for
But people
ADHD.
think I'm super organized, and I just think it's really funny the impression that people have of me judged through the work.
Yes.
And I wonder if you have the same experience, which is I think that's part of the appeal that people have for